Unveiling the Vision, Understanding Eagle Eyes. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning behind the phrase, eagle eyes. This intriguing expression is often used in English, and understanding it can add a sharp edge to your communication skills. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery of this phrase together. When someone is said to have eagle eyes, it means they have an exceptional ability to notice or see things. This phrase is derived from the eagle, a bird known for its incredibly sharp vision. To have eagle eyes is to be observant and capable of seeing details that others might easily miss. The origin of the phrase, eagle eyes, is rooted in nature. Eagles are birds of prey with some of the strongest eyesight in the animal kingdom. They can spot their prey from several kilometers away. When we use this phrase, we're comparing a person's keen sight or observation skills to the eagle's remarkable vision. Let's look at how to incorporate eagle eyes into everyday conversation. You've got eagle eyes. How did you spot that tiny error in the report? Thanks to her eagle eyes, we avoided a potential mistake. Using this phrase can add a vivid and expressive quality to your language. Context is key when using idioms like eagle eyes. It's important to ensure the situation calls for such a phrase. It's typically used in a positive light, to praise someone's attentiveness or detail-oriented nature. There are variations of the phrase that you might hear as well. For instance, sharp-eyed or keen-eyed carry similar meanings and can be used interchangeably with eagle eyes. That's all on the phrase, eagle eyes. We hope you now have a clear vision of how and when to use this expression. Remember, having eagle eyes is all about attention to detail and keen observation. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be spotting English idioms with the best of them. Until our next video, keep learning and stay curious.